Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to force turn off your Motorola phone and then keep it off so it doesn't restart. So what you want to do is hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time. This will take a screenshot, but if you hold it down, it'll force restart it. When the phone goes off, hold down the power button and the volume up key at the same time. So let's do this now. Volume down, power button, we'll take a screenshot. Continue, hold this down. And then the phone will turn off. So I'm going to see turn off, give it a second, and switch to the power up and the volume up key. And then here is the recovery mode. Now what we want to do is go on down using the volume up or down key and just go to where it says power off. And then we can power it off right here and the phone will stay off indefinitely until we turn it back on. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.